If you want to start talking to someone who speaks English, what can you say? What's up, guys? My name is Shane, and this is English Understood, where I help you to understand English like a native speaker. Today, we are talking about greetings. What's a greeting? A greeting is what we say when we meet someone. Today's video will have 3 parts. Part 1, how to greet someone. Part 2, how to answer, how are you? And part 3, how to ask someone how they are back. The 2 easiest ways to greet someone in English are hi, how are you? Hello, how are you? When we say these, we say them like this. Hi. How are you? Hello. How are you? Now you try. Hi. How are you? Hello. How are you? And when we say how are you really quickly, we say how are you? How are you? How are you? Now you try. How are you? If I ask you, how are you? What can you say to me? I'm fine, thank you. And you? No. Normally, native speakers don't say this. 3 of the most common answers are I'm good, I'm not bad, I'm alright. Now you try. I'm good. I'm not bad. I'm alright. So what do these mean? I'm good means I'm not bad means I'm alright means. And if you want to be polite, you can say thanks at the end, like this. I'm good, thanks. I'm not bad, thanks. I'm alright, thanks. Now you try. I'm good, thanks. I'm not bad, thanks. I'm alright, thanks. I asked you, how are you? And you said, I'm good, thanks. But now you want to ask me, how am I? What can you say? 2 common responses are, I'm good, thanks. Yourself? I'm good, thanks. And you? One more time. I'm good, thanks. Yourself? I'm good, thanks. And you? When we say these, we say them like this. I'm good, thanks. Yourself? I'm good, thanks. And you? One more time. I'm good, thanks. Yourself? I'm good, thanks. And you? Now you try. I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm good, thanks. Yourself?